Listen to me and listen to me good. All of we get man beaten. Man boof back and kick down. All of we as woman. Whether we not wash him clothes, whether we don't want to give him fuck, whether with this, whether with that, the whole of we man beat we. At the end of the day is who choose to stay and who choose to go. I remember the whole of we not go left for man because we don't want to move from man to man because every man beats woman. Because them thinking of them big head brain, so they have a data right here. Yeah? Man beats all of we as man we love the lit in the blood clots.
When you put it tight, man, I go fight you every night. Yeah, the only reason why the boy fight me, I come up with that. Go! No man, not beat you up your whole. Go! Suck your mother.
Right, yo.
Take
When
let's
me
get
and you
to
argue and
side
me
out.
start stutter and the words can't come out more and lick your blood clot because my stomach, me can't tell you when me want blood clot tell you. So me rather fuck you up. You have anger issues. You feel like two blood clot people have anger issues that stay in one house all day and the blood clot fight. We fight no bumbo clot like two blood clot man, but after we don't fight we fuck and the sweet me.
Jamaica, we have to start watch who we make famous nowadays. You understand what I say? Put on a seatbelt. We're going on a journey. Whap, 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 whap. Yeah, man, that's some of the girl them in Jamaica love, man. Whap, 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 whap. I never see a girl who love just normalize beat up yet. Never in my life, I never see a bunch of women who just normalize getting them face thump up and kicking a belly and boxing a face. I never see it in my life. You understand what I say? Lifetime need for go Jamaica. Because if Lifetime go Jamaica, then I get a whole heap of TV series, TV for make for some of them girls. You understand? The Yamed series, that could be the #1 hit in a Jamaica. The Yamed series. Girls who are not afraid to brag about them man get beating them up. My God. We hear Mackerel I say every... Oh, my God. My God. I am in total disbelief. You understand what I say? Yo, I'm so shocked to the point. I don't even know if me did do an intro. Right? I don't even know if me do an intro. I'm not even business card. I just want to talk about this right now. Let's make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit notification bell. Yo, Mackerel said in the video, all man beat woman. You're incorrect, mama. All of the man them where you talk to beat woman. You understand what I say? Don't come try generalize and say, oh yeah, all of the man them at Jamaica beat woman. No. I have family members, Zane, me, never thump a girl in her face yet. You understand what I say? And I have friends who are outstanding citizens who don't do them something there, who will walk away from a woman that stir up misery and conflict and them something. They rather walk away than for put hands on you. You understand what I say? And me not think nobody's supposed to put hands on a woman like for nothing trivial. You understand what I say? Little argument she run off your mouth. She say you eat her out or your body little something. Don't stop the girl or bust up her face, bad bro. Just leave. You understand what I say? But if she try take your life now, hey, all bets are off. You can't do anything at that point. From as long as life I try take away, she doom from that point. You understand what I say? But we even not gonna dive into that where we are talking about something different. We are talking about how a lot of these Jamaican women suffer from Stockholm syndrome. You understand what I say? Because we just play two booby writers. So Mackerel one of them and then one next booby writer so one named Dee Official. Very beautiful individual. You understand? I like that girl. For some reason I just like that girl. Yeah. But I don't like what she got through. I'm not like a couple of them videos she make. You understand what I say? She said in the video, our man beat her up because her all tight. Mama, no. You understand what I say? It don't work like that, mama. You're all supposed to tight here, man. Not supposed to have buffet. You understand what I say? No, mama. It don't work like that. That sound like some Stockholm syndrome, something we are trying to make excuse for your abuser. You understand what I say? And for the people that don't know what Stockholm syndrome is, let me read it out to you. Stockholm syndrome is a coping mechanism to a captive or abusive situation. People develop positive feelings towards their captors or abusers over time. This condition applies to the situation including child abuse, coach-athlete abuse, relationship abuse, and sex trafficking. A lot of you women in Jamaica normalize getting the shit kicked out of you. And me I try wonder why or how is that even possible? For you can come on camera and say, if your man not thumping in your blood clot mouth, him not love you. And yeah, put out that to the millions of Jamaicans we have computer and electronic devices we can see them something we depend on social media. That's why I say we have to watch who we are make popular in the earth. Yeah. Because some of them advice where people are gay, it doesn't make everybody else just tumble along and go down, straight down further. Because when I say, oh, an intelligent woman will come on camera and say that if the reason why our man beat her cause are all good. Mama, something wrong with the thinking, darling. Mackerel, I don't expect nothing better from Mackerel. I don't expect nothing better from Mackerel. Because Mackerel come and say she take people, man, you need to take up a book. You understand what I said? That's what you need to take. If you take anything, Mackerel, make sure a book is what it is. You understand what I say? I'm not even like be disrespectful. It's because Jamaica make the worst set of people them famous. People them who have nothing positive to contribute to Jamaica are them we are make famous. And the people them who supposed to be famous, we just push them to the wayside. We don't want to hear that. Oh, yeah, I talk about building wealth and economics, brother. I suck your mother. We don't want to hear that. Bumbo clad, brother, yeah, but Tibo, him suck. See? That is the mindset right now. Zane, that is the mindset. So, we see a video a day, Zane, with a girl, like I'm not ready to know them people. You understand what I say? We just know that Bobby from she get beat up and we see it circulate on the internet. You understand what I say? We know Mackerel because she a big boo. You understand what I say? So, Dee Official, we see Mama get beat up. We'll play the video real quick and see what go on.
Theatrical. She said her husband about to kill her.
Police involved and everything. Nail broke up. Finger look like it bite up. Why you wipe your body with them fingernails?
Get out this relationship, Deofical.
If you show know how hot the or how hard he top in the mouth, I'll the braces pop off. See there?
For the people that think it's a prank, domestic violence is real.
Mr. Mullins, and Miss Davidson, if this is the way you're behaving in front of the police officer.
Exactly. Exactly. And the police officer. What that? We can't even read that. But anyway, I don't know, you're the police woman say a while ago. If this is how you're acting in front of the police, me can just imagine what I say. Me can just imagine what you do to her at home. Because if you are on police station, so your record, we are do. We're recording on camera, go do. Buba, you don't care about that point, Buba. You understand what I say? You're unruly at that point, my lad. You understand what I say? Because if you can't even hold some reverence in the police station and know, say you're amongst people who uphold the law, so you have to go to bill. No, you're not busy about that. It just goes to show. You don't care about, bro. And some of these women who purposely pick them type of money over and over and over and over again, just in different forms. You understand what I say? Who pick some ain't shit niggas, whether them tall, whether them short, whether them skinny, whether them fat, whether them rich, whether them broke. Who just pick ain't shit niggas from anywhere. And then when you attract the ain't shit niggas them, when you use that for judge all blood clot, man. You know, your Mackerel say every man beat woman. And the reason why they don't leave is because them now go jump from man to man, man to man, man to man. Why Jamaican women love normalize beat up? A whoop ass, get in the ass, whoop mama. It's not supposed to translate as, oh, he loves me. A man thumping you in your mouth, darling dear, that don't mean say him love you. It just means say him thumping in your mouth because him not like you at that moment. You understand what I say? And any man will put him on by your mama, because of a disagreement, because of ill feelings. Can you imagine if you get him a little angrier? If a little trivial problem get him angry in a mama, can you imagine if you got him angrier if it's something serious? You probably lose your life. Speaking about losing life, aren't you Jamaican women afraid of some of these men who not try make a partner? Because it's crazy how so much Jamaican woman end up dead, end up get abused, zin, and purposely I go after some type of men that are known to abuse women, and then come on the internet and complain about all men do the no. Say this, say it with me. The man that I chose whoop my ass, or all of the man them when me choose whoop me. Thump me in my eye and thump me in my mouth. Not all men. Mackerel, how dare you? How dare you, Mackerel, come on the blood clot screamer, come talk about, oh, all man be. Come play back like you that video real quick. Come hear your chance because I don't expect the better from Mackerel. Because Mackerel already win. Mackerel already lead. I don't expect the better. But go play this real quick.
Listen to me and listen to me good. All of we get man beaten. Man boof back and kick down. All of we as woman. Whether we not wash him clothes, whether we don't want to give him fuck, whether we this, whether we that, the whole of we man beat we. At the end of the day is who choose to stay and who choose to go. I remember the whole of we not going for man because we don't want to move from man to man because every man beats woman. Because them thinking of them big head brain, so they have a data right here. Yeah? Man beats all of we as some will love the lick in the blood clot.
Some will love the lick to blood clot. Uno love get beat up. Why? Why? Why does a man putting him hands on you, disfiguring your body, translate to I love you? How is that even possible? Stockholm syndrome. You've been with this abuser for so long that to you, when him do certain things and exhibit certain behaviors, to you, you say to yourself, you know, say if him never care, him would not push all of this effort and a go on, so. If him never care about me, you know, him wouldn't have shout and a go on because if him never care, he would have just leave it alone. But him care because him a shout and then it just so happened that him put him hand on me. That's how no found a sound, and it's sad. Dee Official is such a beautiful young woman. But when I hear that coming out of her mouth, I see a woman that don't know her worth. And I'm not being disrespectful to her nor her partner, because I know neither of them. But I'm just saying, if she really knew her worth, she wouldn't be putting up with abuse masked as love. Because that's what it is. Abuse masked as love. And that's the scary thing about it, because we see our women growing up now thinking that it's love when a man put them on fire. No, miss, that's Stockholm syndrome. And I wish a lot of my Jamaican sisters wake up and understand, say, when a man put him on fire, mama, I don't love that. That is not love. That is not love. It's when you love somebody, you will check yourself. Zin, you will check yourself. Yesterday, I watched a video with a father come in and him kids prank him, then put like some water at the door. So when he open the door and come in, the water just throw down upon him. And I see the dog pass about a good 30 seconds. And I know so the dog have a hard day at work. And the dog stress out. And then the dog look up and remember say, yo, I'm kids them and him love him kids. So it don't make no sense him shout and go on the most way. So you know what man say? The man goes, man lift up him. And you know what man say? Man say, all right, the game is on. The game is on. The man totally flipped the switch because you could see that it was going to about take a left turn. But because the member say I'm kids and him love them, him not going to deal with them no type of way. When somebody loves you, they don't hurt you or try to hurt you intentionally. They don't. Someone know where you come from with this notion, oh, him love me, that's why him took me and me and him yeah, my eye fat because him love me. You're an idiot. You are an idiot. So real quick before we even take ourselves, we see my girl right there, so right now up on a live, and we're going to make it meticulously scrutinize the live real quick. But I just want to know, steer me real quick. We're going to meticulously scrutinize the live, and we're going to check some behaviors and see what I go on.
The official speaks why Jelani beat her.
See? Because the thing is, Jelani have anger issues. Jelani been have anger issues from long before me and Jelani married. Jelani has been trying to change. He has been trying to change, me never tell no lie on him. But, you see, when him get angry, alright, you see, if Jelani go road, go drink and Jelani come back, and me say to Jelani, say, listen, me nah have no sex or whatever, I fight. And I say me nah have no sex, I fight. Because men feel like, say, yeah, them for vex. Yeah, them must vex. And them must go come in through them junk, only if you have sex. From my point of view, it does not work like that. If me and you don't agree, me and you not have no sex. You could have gone road, go drink Jesus, we're not having no sex. So, that me and Jelani basically a fight over, you know. Because me not give him no sex and Jelani decides, say, he want to kill me for that.
All right, go pause that right there. So, mama, yeah, make excuse for the dog. I know say you love him. I know say you love him. I know say you love him. But yeah, make excuse for the dog. Zin, how long know him I try change, mama? How long know him I try change? Is he going to therapy? Is he doing the necessary work that it takes to destroy certain old behavior and breed and bring forth some new behavior? How long him a change? That is Stockholm syndrome at its finest. A long time him a try change and him have anger issues. Mama, anybody who have anger issues have that. Issues with anger. And anger is not a nice emotion. It's not a nice feeling. You can lose your life dealing with someone that's angry. How much more chop off head and how much more woman we get our word on our face say, yo, face say, I don't know if you deal with certain type of people. When you keep putting yourself in these positions and when certain things reach, all men. It's all men. And when certain men like me tell us, yo, mama, XYZ, don't do that. Oh, nobody should be able to mess with you. You're right. But we don't live in a perfect world. And I'm not trying to oppress you. So go continue this right quick.
Basically it. That basically it. And I like say, me go road go sex, and then with other man, that's not it. And I like say him go road go sex, and then with other woman. At the end of the day, if him do that, not my problem. You understand? Not my problem. As a woman, enough women sit down and go through abusive relationship. I'm not even gonna say abusive relationship, but enough women sit down in a relationship where you and your man we in an argument today, right? And because you and your man in an argument today, and your man Garo drink up him juice and him come home, him feel like say, oh, him reach home now. You and him supposed to good. Him supposed to just come and go pushing big. And Jelani and no little body I want big all every body have. So, me you not go vex and my pum pum don't wet and you are going to come push your cocky in on me. Don't work like that.
Alright, I'm pause that again. You're speaking about this whole thing so normal. Mama, that was the next step for him take. If you do that, right? He that not raise a red flag. I'm gonna come home junk. One look up front. Act while and a stunt. Tell us him want it blunt. And you now run the cunt. So I got you and the dog start fight. We need to go write that. That is a blood class song right there. So we need to go write that song. But anyway, go dive back in night. Mama, that's supposed to bring up a red flag in it. I'm gonna come home drunk. One theme way and not get it is a dangerous man. You play with your life. You understand what I say? You are play with your life. Go continue.
That's basically what me and Jelani argue about. That's basically what me and Jelani fight over. I was locked into the room. He ma bang down the room while I come in the room. So make the video. And me say, I need help. Call the police, do something for it. I did not get up and post the video. And I have Instagram, I have YouTube. Me a blood clot TikTok.
Jamaica. I can't listen no more. I cannot listen anymore. Yo, this is it's heartbreaking. I'm not gonna lie to you. It rough. It rough. You understand the man say it rough. Just let me know when you're thinking of the damn. Yo, ladies, I'm gonna tell you this right now. Please value on yourself, love on yourself. You understand the man say? Your man shows certain behaviors where you know it destructive. Move on, leave him. Find somebody else where you know genuinely love you. You understand the man say? You getting your ass whooped don't mean it's love, mama. My generals, stop putting a hand on the girl them. You understand what I say? Stop putting a hand on the bumbucklat girl them, brother. When I go like when I have females in our family bad, bro. That's why I'm glad my sister move certain ways, you know. I'm glad how she just move nerdy and she just, you understand what I say? Itty tighty and she go on the most way more time. I love it. Because she not gonna talk to certain man. Because I swear to God, any boy put them man for my blood clot system, I make a kill your brother. I mean I got a blood clot jail and sit down and smile about it. Because you know why? The man put him man for my sister dead. I'm going to kill you. Me I gonna kill you. Now put on pan bumbuckler people girl pick. Now what the fuck do you know? When you kill off the whole like bumbuckler girl them a Jamaica, be a bumbuckler balls and batty all down there. You don't even know how to treat yourself and get in a relationship and don't even know how to treat a blood clot woman. No found a batty boy, bro. No found a batty boy, bro. On the mistreat woman and every chance when you get on the mistreat woman. I want to deal with you. And no founder will never deal with a man or want to deal with someone on a woman. Certain man check on the bill and can't say nothing. But the minute your blood clot girl say, hey, girl, how you do? But if a man say, boy, he's a bum buckler self, oh yes, sir. But if your girl ever say, but babes, hey girl, hey girl, ramp with me now. Don't ramp with me now. I found a waste man. Yo, well, I don't know, share One Nation and Imara Nation. My name is Negusimara. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit notification bell, and do all of them things here. See me? That's what I know when you think about this in the video. I know some kind of get emotional upon the last part, but yo, I just feel sad for them young girl, yo. I just feel sad because them don't even know they don't even know the true idea of love. If you accept man, I thump them in them face and them I normalize it. Them don't even know what true love is. That's heartbreaking. Mess up on yourself, isn't it?